Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the best sensitive home daily shower spray on the market, the Ginger Lily Farms Botanicals plant-based 3-in-1 shower blast. This remarkable cleaner comes in a generous 1-gallon refill size and boasts a 100% vegan and cruelty-free formula. One of its standout features is that it's completely fragrance-free, making it an ideal choice for anyone sensitive to strong scents or chemicals. Say goodbye to the overwhelming odors often associated with cleaning products, and say hello to a fresh, clean bathroom. What makes this product truly exceptional is its 3-in-1 cleaning capability. It effortlessly tackles soap scum, grime, and body oils, all without the need for scrubbing. Imagine how much time you could save on your cleaning routine. Simply spray it on your surfaces, let it work its magic, and rinse. It's that easy. This cleaner is designed to be safe for use on most surfaces including glass, porcelain, fiberglass, and tile. However, it's essential to note that it should not be used on natural marble. It's perfect for those who want a versatile solution for their bathroom without the worry of damaging delicate surfaces. Another fantastic benefit of the Ginger Lily Farms 3-in-1 Shower Blast is its ability to remove tough stains and calcium deposits. If you have hard water, you know how stubborn those orange stains can be. This product is formulated to tackle those issues effectively, ensuring your surfaces remain pristine and looking brand new. The plant-based formula is a significant selling point for those looking to minimize their chemical exposure at home. With no bleach, ammonia, or harsh dyes, you can feel good about using this cleaner in your home. It's a choice that not only cleans effectively but also aligns with a healthier, more eco-friendly lifestyle. If you're tired of battling soap scum and grime in your shower, the Ginger Lily Farms Botanicals plant-based 3-in-1 Shower Blast is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. It's easy to use, safe for a variety of surfaces, and best of all, its plant-based formula is gentle on your home and the environment. So, if you're ready to elevate your cleaning game and enjoy a spotless bathroom with minimal effort, this product deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next review. Until next time, happy cleaning.